Hi everyone, today in a new video of tips about TouchDesigner, I'm going to explain you how to create these operators that I created with my own effects. So yeah, again, a lot of people ask me how create your own component, so I'm going to explain that. So I'm going to delete these effects and we're going to start creating. First, we need to create our effect. In this case, I'm going to create a simple effect with feedback. And then we need a keyboard because we need to reset this. Yes, here to here. And then we connect this to a level. And I'm going to add another one, transform, just in case. And we connect this to a composite. And connect here to here, and the feedback needs to be here, the composite, and we use maximum. So we are going to have this. I'm going to connect use an alt so you can see what's going on. This one, and we change our level just for a little bit. And I'm going to add a transform. We're going to alpha 1 here and enable the background so we can see this. So sometimes you have a network with a lot of effects and that is too much. And how we clean our network, or maybe have an effect and we want to use in another project. And so what we can do is we select our effect, this one, and we go to outside of these elements and we press the right button of our mouse and we have this HoloLab selected. And we press here, and what TouchDesigner do is select everything and put everything inside here. So as we can see, we need to fix this. We need to put the in here, and we have the same. We have the in, the feedback, the transform, the level, the composite, and the output. Okay, output just for. I put color just for remember what is this. And we have our base. We can change the name for amazing feedback. I don't know, whatever you want. Feedback. Nice, we have this. So how we can change the data inside of this, because we need something. Maybe you want to change the effect. What you need to do is go inside and change the numbers of here and the same here. So how we can do that is we press first we need to create something like this. We have the base extension in common. We need to create our own. So we have here right button of the mouse and we create this customized component. Press here, and first we need to create a name here. I always use general, and we add here, and you can see we create this new tab. So what else we need to do? So I'm going to inside. What we need to change is the level for this. So it's opacity. And the opacity is a number between 0 and 1. So float, okay. And we can change the range, but it's okay, 0 to 1. I close this, go back. And we have here opacity. So I copy these parameters and go inside and go to opacity. And I paste bin or bind. I don't know how to say in English. So I press here. So when I change this, it's affecting inside too. So I'm going to divide this screen so you can see what's going on. So we have this amazing feedback. So when we change, so you're going to see it's affecting this number 2. And if I go to here, it's affecting to here too. It's going to the both sides. So that is the different, because if I copy this, for example, and I go here and I go reference, if I change here, it's affecting again here. But when I move this, the connection is broke. So go to just to one direction. It go to maybe in this division go to left to right, not to right to left. So how we fix that is just fine. It works in two direction. So we have now we are controlling the opacity here. So we can see that. And what else we can move? Maybe the rotation. So we have that rotate. And we can add all we want here. Rotate. And rotate is between -360 to 360. So we add rotate and we change the values here to 360. And so we have this one, we copy again, we bind. Have that. And again and again and again, we can add translate and translate. As you can see, it's two values. So for two values, going to translate two values, we have a lot of parameters. We have X and Y. And we select rotate just for that. Sorry, this no. This one and translate, and you can drag for the order of whatever you want. Copy and bind. So I'm going to move this so you can see. Sorry. There it is. Okay. So I'm going to move this. So you can change in your effect. And after that, what we can do, I'm going to change this just for one panel. So we have our effect, amazing effect. I prefer add a color, this one. And you can go to here to open palette. You have my component. You can create your add folder, and we can create amazing again. Amazing. Amazing effect. You have this your folder, and you can take your effect, drag here, drop, and you have your effect. So every time you want to use it, take this, drag, drop, and you connect whatever you want. So yeah, that is the tutorial. You can try create all your own effect, your own components, and I hope you like it. And if you have any questions, just send me a message, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.